Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic on the interpretation of statutes. Friends, in the last video, I told you the importance of the dictionary as an external aid. There are so many other externals. On that day, we discussed. The other important external aid is textbooks. So, textbooks. Normally, when you are not able to understand the section or the provision, then you can refer to the dictionary. You have to take the general meaning from the Black's dictionary or the Oxford dictionary. So, when the matter is not clearly understood, then you can refer to the textbook. Please remember, textbooks, why they are being referred to, they are being studied, they are being looked into. Why? To arrive at the true meaning of the enactment, because in the textbook they will be dealing with so many aspects. Suppose if you go to Mulls CRPC or Avatar Singh's books, yes, they are the authorized textbooks. Maxwell's concepts, best textbooks. Yes, whenever you get any doubt, if you go through the text context, then definitely you will you will get the real meaning of the particular word or particular enactment also. Of course, sometimes, please remember, the accepted opinions or the restricted opinions or the rejected opinions in the textbooks, so definitely may be helpful, may not be helpful also, because there are some judges, some authors, they don't accept the so-called will. But చెడు కన్నా మంచి బెటర్. కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్లీ if you go through the textbooks, we can understand the concept and correct meaning of the so-called provision. Second, if you are able to quote the text or at least the definition part in the text, definitely the judge will impress that you have got legal knowledge. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో కేవలం చూడటమే కాదు, if you are able to read out an important section, an important 2 or 3 sentences మీరు చదవగలిగితే, సో దట్ మీన్స్ యూ హావ్ డైజెస్టెడ్ ఇట్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ దట్ ఈజీ. మాట్లాడటం సహజంగా రిపీట్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. మీకు అర్థమైతే కానీ చెప్పలేరు. కాబట్టి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ డెఫినెట్లీ దే ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఎయిడ్స్ టు ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్. చూడండి, టు ది ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్. మీరు చూడండి, ఎక్కడెక్కడ పెద్ద పెద్ద వాళ్ళు, సపోజ్ లా ఈజ్ కోడిఫైడ్ ధర్మ యాజ్ స్టేటెడ్ బై నాని పాల్కీవాలా. Bail is a right, jail is an exception. Justice V.R. Krishna here. How can you know them? Because of the readings of their textbooks or the quotations given by them. So definitely they are useful. Now we'll go discuss a couple of case law. Very famous case law. Keshavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. His Holiness Sadguru, that Keshavananda Bharti. So, large number of textbooks were quoted in this judgment because 13 judges bench, they have decided this case, that too with a wafer-thin majority of 7-6. 7 people agreed, 6 people rejected. Right? So, large number of textbooks were quoted. And please remember, most of the judges, they opined that the safest court for the the safest way for the court is to interpret the law keeping in mind the actually context of the issues. So many foreign judgment, so many foreign authors, so many textbooks of so many persons, they have been cited in this particular case. So definitely they are useful. Second case law, that is Bastian versus Davies, 1950 English case. Bastian versus Davies. So Lord Goldland, he said in this case at one place while interpreting substance in discussion with the sale of food and drugs bill. Oh, what is a substance? So as per, please remember, this court would never hesitate to disagree with the textbook. Yes, I have told you so many examples of liking the textbook or getting extracting the paras from the textbook, but in some cases, yes, you need not agree. That's why in the beginning I told you, beginning lo cheppanu gurtuna, sometimes the judges may reject, sometimes the judges may accept the text. రెండు రకాలుగా తీసుకుంటారు. Kabatti, it is a negative example where textbooks are not to be necessarily followed. Okay, please remember Keshavananda Bharti case as well as Bastian versus Davis 1950 English case. So with this, I think you have understood the concept of textbooks. So textbooks are nothing but the opinions of the so-called famous authors. Some people reject some concepts. So for example, Pigeon hole theory in the law of torts. So what did Salman say? Salman said it's the law of torts. Whereas Winfield, he said it's the law of tort only. Ultimately, there are a lot of clash. Ultimately, it was agreed that Salman theory was right. So likewise, if you go through the textbooks, you will be able to understand the essence or concept or context of the opinion, and definitely will be enriched with the so-called legal knowledge, particularly regarding how to interpret the law. This is most important. Okay, with this I am concluding. Thank you.